How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix Forza Horizon 6 stuttering and lagging. So the easiest solutions in order to fix the problem is to make sure to close out some background applications. So if you have a lot of applications opened on the background, it will basically go ahead and hinder the resources that Forza Horizon 6 is getting, and that will cause your game to actually lag. So in my case, as of the moment, since a lot of applications are open, 85% of the memory are already being used, leaving no space for the game to actually run smoothly. So once again, you just want to close out some applications, and from there, it would free up some resources. From there, make sure that your graphics card is up to date. Basically, having an updated driver's card will then go ahead and make sure that your graphics runs smoothly and compatible with the latest games. So in here, since I'm using NVIDIA, I'll just search for NVIDIA drivers, click on the official webpage, look for the right model, and then update your graphics card from here. Now, the last thing that you want to do is to try to lower down the graphical settings for the actual game. From there, once again, this will free up usage or load from the graphics card, enabling the computer to run it more efficiently. And so those are a couple of ways in order to fix the problem, or it's not basically a problem. It just means that we are running out of resources to run the game smoothly. And lastly, if you're using a laptop, make sure that you are plugged in onto a wall outlet that will basically make the game run a lot smoothly. So do the following and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.